this, man? It's your boy Wall Street Shooter, and I'm checking in for the game. And this is a trade recap. Yeah, we hit AMD for a quick lick. Yeah, Friday, July 1st. It's the first of the month. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Hey, before we get into the actual trade, make sure you comment, because I talk back. Like if you think it's fire, share it with your partners and them. And most importantly, join the notification game and become a earner. Yeah, I got more content, more trade recaps, educational videos, etc. coming down the pipeline. So if you want to stay tapped in, go ahead and hit that notification bell, be part of that earners club. And if you want to stay connected via social medias, check the links below, all updated. Holla at your boy, man. Anyways, man, let's get into this AMD put trade. So check it, man. So last night, I was looking over the market, looking for plays or whatever the case may be. And so I was looking at AMD, and I noticed that AMD was hella overextended from the 9 EMA, as you can see right here on the daily chart, right? You already know how I feel about the 9 EMA being overextended. So I was kind of watching that from both angles. I was very neutral, wasn't very bullish on it just because of it being overextended. We already know the market is pulling back. There's a big sell-off going on. So I kind of talked about that in the Discord, right? Earners Club. If you're in the Earners Club, you're getting that type of late night access to me. But I was talking about how we're overextended at the 9 EMA. If the market opens up with some strength, I did expect AMD to pull back and try to test this 9 EMA, right? But if the market continues to sell off, so will AMD, especially if Nvidia sells off. So that was kind of my mindset from last night. You can see that on the daily we got this bear flag, and just pretty much confirmation. Just nice little rip-offs here. Volume is hella high. So AMD look like a prime candidate if I wanted to play the yellow on the 0DTE, which we did today. So let's check the pre-market levels that I was looking at this morning. And as you can see off the pre-market, we were in this little channel, right? Pretty much bouncing in between 75.66 and 75.02. And so this morning I put in the Discord, I'm paying very close attention to NVIDIA, right? We already know, NVIDIA is king of the semiconductor sector, and AMD usually gets some little symphony play off of NVIDIA on top of the Qs and everything else, right? So my mentor was definitely to keep a chart on the video to see what that price action looked like. Also the triple Qs as well too. So I was definitely going to watch the video before I make any trades on AMD. And again, I made that note in the Discord. Remember that AMD is overextended from the 9 EMA, but if the market open weak, I'm looking for more downside. And I made a point to I'm looking at 74.80 as my entry to put. So I actually had an alert right below this pre-market range right here, and as soon as we crossed, I jumped into the trade. Again, this is no finesse, no voodoo or nothing like that. It was literally being prepared, knowing what I'm looking at, and being prepared for both directions, but still kind of being neutral and just reacting instead of being proactive, reacting to what the market gave me. So this morning I jumped in a trade right when we broke this pre-market range, and I ran this trade. I actually traded this off the 2-minute chart. So let's go on to 2 minutes. As soon as we broke, I entered the trade here, loaded up with contracts. I always like to at least go $1,000 worth. And the funny thing about it is that we ripped. As you can see off the 2-minute chart, we just ripped. And I did not cut or trim. As soon as we hit this bottom here, I was up 85%. Got out of the play completely, and hey, that's it. That was it. And as you can see, beautiful bounce. Now, one thing I do want to show you guys as we switch over to the charts, the reason why I got out and didn't let this thing run is because if you see off the gate, the Nasdaq opened and it broke pre-market range to the upside. So I didn't want to get caught up with that. Also, if you look at the video, let me pull up the video real quick. Let's pull up the video. What did NVIDIA do? Sell off. So I followed the video on this and not the Nasdaq, which is kind of gutsy, kind of ballsy. But like I said, I prepped yesterday. I knew if NVIDIA sell off, AMD is going to follow. and I stuck to it. Didn't second guess it. When you prep, you profit, baby. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna hear that a lot from me. When you prep, you profit. And so therefore, I knew if Nvidia opened up selling off, AMD was gonna follow, and you can see the two charts like twin sisters, baby. Big sister, little sister. Little sister always want to hang out with big sister. You dig? And you got mama over here, the Q's doing what she want to do, and you know the daughter's back there chilling. You know what I mean? So, but yeah, man. Quick trade recap. We hit a lick today, over 85%. It's a long weekend, y'all. That means it's a short weekend for the trading. So be cautious about swinging. The 4th of July, we're closed. No markets are closed on Monday. So be very, very cautious on swinging. Look at your charts before you make that determination if you're going to do that. If you get your shillings off of 0 DTE, be very, very aware of IV crush. It's your boy Wall Street, man. This ain't financial advice. Be safe. No drinking and driving. We got Ubers and Lyft. Please, please. You know them boys are going to be out there with their setting up road checkpoints and blocks and all that type of stuff. We don't want to lose nobody. Everybody be safe, you know, have fun. COVID is still real, so take the proper precautions. I just want everybody to return back so we can get into these markets on Tuesday, man. Y'all be safe. Anyway, man, it's your boy Wall Street Shooter, and this is not financial advice. Peace, y'all.